Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use voice assistant on HUAWEI Watch Fit 5. So first, click and hold right here this button, and now you can see the voice AI assistant, and you can ask about anything. What's the weather? Please give me access to your location in the permission settings. So we need to go into the settings, then right here find the apps, app manager, HUAWEI Health, permissions, location, allow all the time, and try that again. What's the weather? There's currently mostly sunny weather. Today forecast. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.